Some evenings, the light does all the convincing you need. The Sunseeker 82 Ocean Enclosed gets you out there before it's gone and keeps you out after dark. Built in Poole, England. A coastline Sunseeker has read for over 50 years. On this boat, that shows up as one open deck, not a maze of levels between you and the view. Twin diesels give her real reserve, power enough to get ahead of the weather, not just keep pace with it. Cruise easy at 10 to 12 knots and you're still good for 900 miles before you need to think about fuel again. Patio doors open both sides on the main deck. The outside is never more than a few steps from wherever you're sitting. Take the main deck stateroom option and you wake up with the foredeck right outside. The whole upper deck is built for staying outside. Sunpads, an optional spa tub, glass around you instead of a windshield in front of you. Move through the boat and the floor barely changes level, foredeck to lower deck. Bring the group, up to 8, spread across 4 or 5 cabins, however you want to split them. Down below, 4 or 5 cabins mean a full boat never feels crowded. But that's not the point. The point is what's outside the glass. Still water, a coastline going gold, nowhere else you'd rather be. This isn't a boat you look at on a Saturday. It's a boat you live on by evening. For full specifications and availability on the Sunseeker 82 Ocean Enclosed, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.